Welcome to Daddy Math Concepts. Today we're looking at calculus, and this is an Add Math question 2025. Let us get into it. The question reads, it says figure 1 shows the region enclosed between the x-axis, the y-axis, the curve y is equal to x squared plus 2, and the line x is equal to 3. So we could take a quick look. This is the line, this is the curve that we're looking at. So we're seeing x and y-axis going on here. We want to find the area that is bounded between all of that. So what are we looking at? We're looking at that we're coming from 0 to 3, right? So we're bounded between 0 to 3. That's our limits that we will be using, and we're going to put everything together. So in order to find that area of that curve, all we're going to do is that we're going to take the integral from 0 to 3, and this would be our limit, and we're going to take it of x squared plus 2 dx. So we're going to integrate x squared plus 2, which is that function that we're dealing with, and we're going to do it from 0 to 3, which means that we're finding the definite integral. We're going to get a value. So all we're going to do now is to integrate. Remember that when you integrate, you're actually going to add 1 to the power of the variable and divide by that new power. So we're going to have x to the third. So we're adding 1 to the 2. Then we're going to divide by that, right? And then the integral of a constant will simply becomes 2x, right? So the integral of 2 will become 2x. Now, this is us integrating this, and then we are going to have to make sure that we understand that we're moving from 0 to 3. We're taking this is the limit from 0 to 3. So all we're going to do now is to substitute. We're going to substitute the upper limit first. So we're going to have 3, and we're going to raise that to the third over 3 plus 2 times 3. So that's me substituting 3 wherever the variable is. And what we're going to do is to subtract. We're going to substitute the lower limit now, say it's 0 raised to the third over 3 plus 2 times 0, and we close that out. So there it is. Now when we come up with this value, what we're actually finding is we will be finding the area covered under that curve. So let us take a look. This is 27. You divide that by 3. This is going to give us 9. And this is 2 times 3. This is going to give us a 6. And then if we look at this 0, this is going to give us 0 plus 0. So this is a minus 0 at the back. So definitely this is 15 square units, because this is 15 square units that we're dealing with right there. Now that's what this is. This area covered by this is actually 15 square units. Okay, that's what we just found. So we're saying thank you for watching Daddy Math Concepts. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Daddy Math Concepts. See you next time.